guys, it's your girl Juicy Jill. Welcome back to the channel. It's Valentine's Day weekend. I just installed this 5x5 32-inch wig from My Lisa Hair. I'll leave the link in the description. I'm loving this hair so far. I dyed it jet black off camera. I got a little tangling, but I don't think that was because the hair bad. I think that was just because I was sitting on it because it's so long. It's so long. Hold on. I might stand up and give y'all a little something. Just so the hair go to like the middle of my booty. And I'm thick and I'm 5'6", 5'7". So it's some very long hair. I love the hair. I washed it. Everything was cool. I got a little bit of shedding when I was washing it, but I'm not getting no shedding now. I brushed through it, and this is what my brush is giving. It's not giving, oh, this wig about to turn into a 16-inch wig because all the hair finna shed out. This is how much shedding I got while installing it. Not tangling. Everything's cool. The lace was so thin and transparent. I loved it. Just let's go get you this wig. This wig, at first it was like $192, but then I saw it went up a little bit to like $2 something. So yeah, go get you this wig. It was beautiful. 260 density. It's not thin at all. The ends are very thick, especially for it to be 32 inches. Like, come on, get real. No, this hair is beautiful. I'm in love. Everybody know that I love stripper inches. I love really long weave, and this is giving that. This is giving. Yes. I don't know how I'm gonna style it for Valentine's Day, but I'm feeling this vibe. Yeah. So yeah, get into the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments, and you know, I'll do my best to get back to y'all. Like, it's a whole bunch of y'all, but one day it's gonna be a whole bunch of y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and reply to them, and you know, let's go ahead and get into the video so you could slay this wig if you buy it, or whatever other 5x5 closure wig you go buy. Period. See you. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the wig before I put it on. Get into the nail cam. Gonna be Valentine's Day. Today is Saturday. Valentine's Day is Monday. I've been vlogging. This is the hair that I'm putting on. So in this clip, I'm using a little bit of Eco Styler gel, and I smoothed it in with the rat tooth comb. On the blow dryer is on a cool setting. I'm just smoothing in my cap so it can look more scalp like. And then the glue I'm using today, I'm using the Beautiful Hustler glue. I'm using 4 layers of that glue. I love it. Slay by Jordan made me get it. Go check his channel out. But y'all already know who he is. Y'all, you need to check my channel out. But anyway, I'm cleaning my forehead off with 90% alcohol. I'm using the actual, like, the rest of the wig cap that I cut off. And right here I'm putting on the glue. I did 4 layers. And the wig stayed on for probably like a week and a half. I ain't even gonna hold you. It was stuck. It was up there and stuck there. Let's just say that. But I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video, and I'm stop talking now. turn your notification bell on. And I'll see you in my next video.